Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can add notes in your Instagram. So if you want to add notes in your Instagram, what you can do is that once you are inside your profile, you may go to this messenger icon at the top right corner, and then you can see that your note is appearing at the topmost part. And then once you need to add this, you can click here, and then you can choose to share whatever is in your mind. So for example, I will be typing anything. For example, let's say I am happy, and then apart from just text, you may also choose to add emojis in this, and then you may also choose to add any music whichever you like. So for example, you may choose any trending music whatever you like. So for example, I will say any music that I like. So let's just add a music. And once you have added in your music and you have selected the specified length, then you may also choose to share any image if you want, or if you don't want, that's okay. Then you need, once you have done all of these settings and you have decided your note, you need to click on this share button right here, and here you can see that the note has been successfully shared. So that's it for this video. I'll see you in the next one. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button as well, comment on this video, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.